Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add attachments to emails in Hubspot, making it easy to share files and documents directly from your CRM without switching platforms. First, open your web browser and head over to Hubspot. Sign in to your Hubspot account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Hubspot dashboard, where all your CRM tools are available. Next, look at the left navigation bar and click on the CRM option. This will expand a menu displaying different sections of your CRM workspace. From this menu, locate and click on Contacts under the Commerce section. This is where all your contact records are stored and managed. You'll now see your contacts list. Find the contact you want to send an email attachment to by scrolling through the list or using the search function. Once you find the right contact, click on their name to open their contact record. When the contact page opens, focus on the left side of the contact card. You'll see several communication options there. Click on Email to open HubSpot's built-in email composer, which allows you to send messages directly from the contact record. The Email Compose window will appear on your screen. At the bottom of this window, look for the paperclip icon and click on it. This is the attachment button, and it's what you'll use to add files to your email. After clicking the paperclip, you'll see two options, Existing or Upload. For this walkthrough, choose Upload, which allows you to attach files directly from your computer. Click Upload to continue. A file browser window will open, letting you navigate through your folders. Select the file you want to attach, and once chosen, it will begin uploading to your email draft. Next, add a subject line and write the body of your email so your message is clear and professional. Take a moment to review everything, including the attachment, subject line, and message content. When you're satisfied, click Send. Your email with the attachment will be delivered to your contact, and HubSpot will automatically log this activity in the contact's record. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.